Here I have POCO M5, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to open camera, and when you're in camera, what you have to do is to swipe shutter button right and hold it like this, and after that the burst shot starts. So as you can see right now, I took like 17 shots, I guess, and by tapping on this icon you can review them, select the shot that fits you best, save it and delete others. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.